So here's kind of a classic example why we do non-destructive testing, specifically ultrasound on composites. We do it for the outdoor industry, the greater outdoor industry, and the aerospace industries, amongst many other industries that use composites nowadays. So your traditional, you can kind of see this spot here. There's not a lot really to look at visually. 2.5, I don't know, 2, 3 minor cracks. Traditionally, a tap hammer, we'll do a longer video on why I don't like this. You tap through it, you can hear a little bit. Now, it's okay. Would you, or if you were just tapping all over, would you find that? Not necessarily. So here's a good reason why we own the expensive machines to do the expensive process. So we'll right now we're using the FMC TFM, this full matrix capture total focusing method. And I'll explain that some other day. It's a pretty complex topic. So basically we're going around this suspect area, and you can see this damage is already pretty darn visible, very clear in what we're looking at. Between the red and green bars is 2 millimeters, so that spot is about 2 millimeters wide. But the main thing we're looking for is kind of changes kind of comparatively. So we start seeing all these other areas crop up. These are basically reflectors in the impact damage. And the beauty of FMC TFM is it's really high resolution, and I'm using a really high frequency probe. So there's positives and negatives to all this, like anything. There's no free lunch. So you can start seeing some of the matrix cracks, and we've been able to verify that by doing our own test specimens and controlled analyses. So you can see this impact damage actually goes quite a ways up. Further than I thought, further than I even marked when I first kind of visually spotted it. So I'm way over here. And then remember, our spot was right there. So this is yet again a good reason why ultrasound and non-destructive testing is as powerful as it is. I mean, it's clear as day. Look at all this damage. Yet again on the surface, let's just wipe off our couplant. You're not looking at much. So, if you have questions on anything visible or non-visible damage, reach out at any time and we'll do what we do.